Every Lay's chip begins its journey deep in the fertile soil. Machines carefully lift each potato, separating it from the earth.
Baskets move seamlessly into bins, ready for the journey to the factory.
Every potato is inspected to ensure only the finest proceed.
From field to factory, the journey begins in earnest.
Even the humble potato is handled with care. Every batch is logged, tracked, and accounted for. The route to processing begins, a journey across miles. Through rolling fields, the harvest makes its way forward.
Each worker's care ensures only the best potatoes continue the journey.
The harvest leaves the fields, heading for transformation. Every potato moves closer to becoming the iconic Lay's chip. The destination looms, where raw potatoes will meet precise engineering. Arrival is timed, controlled, and carefully coordinated.
From here, every movement is automated and monitored.
Human oversight remains essential at every step.
Unwanted material is removed before processing begins.
Separate harvests unite into one continuous flow. The factory environment takes control.
Every batch is measured with precision.
Data ensures traceability from field to chip.
Transport gives way to preparation.
The next stage is ready.
Now, the real transformation begins. The raw harvest crosses the threshold. From outside chaos to controlled environment. The heart of production lies ahead.
Scale transforms simple ingredients into global products.
Instant noodles begin their journey far before packaging, starting with massive deliveries of basic food ingredients.
Human attention guides automated systems.
Infrastructure supports every second of motion.
Preparation systems activate.
Quality checks begin immediately. Now, cleaning becomes transformation. Moisture and debris are separated.
Technology sees what humans cannot.
Only the best are allowed forward.
Nothing is wasted, everything is managed.
Uniformity begins with size. Only ideal cuts remain. A final cleanse ensures purity. Final checks before transformation. The line is cleared to advance. The potato's form is about to change. The pace quickens. His scarf ends works from tunt that Nungji spots on Tesquithlin. At Kurtzlukonin Kokanins Blanctas the Intrinis. Precision blades transform whole potatoes into uniform slices. Each slice is consistent, ready for washing.
Excess starch is rinsed, leaving a clean surface.
Moisture is carefully removed before cooking.
Human eyes ensure quality at every step.
Heat begins the transformation into crisp chips. Golden color emerges, texture forming with care.
Excess oil is removed before flavor is added.
Each batch is visually inspected before seasoning.
The journey leads to the defining flavor stage.
Flavors coat each chip uniformly.
Consistency ensures every bite tastes perfect. Cooling prepares chips for packaging. Sensory checks complement automated monitoring. From frying to seasoning, every step flows seamlessly into precision.
Heat transforms slices into perfectly crisp chips. Excess oil is drained before seasoning can begin.
Cooling stabilizes the crisp texture for the next stage. Every chip is monitored to meet the highest standards. Human eyes complement technology at every step. Temperature normalization prepares chips for packaging.
Precision measurement guarantees consistent serving sizes.
Human oversight safeguards automated precision.
Every chip is in position for its final journey. From frying to flavoring, every step flows into automation. Automation identifies imperfections faster than the human eye. Only chips meeting strict standards move forward. Packaging begins with meticulous precision.
Packaging begins with meticulous precision.
Human supervision ensures flawless automation.
Sealed and secure, every bag moves closer to the market.
Each label is positioned with unwavering accuracy.
No detail is too small for automation to verify.
No detail is too small for automation to verify. No detail is too small for automation to verify.
Multiple streams converge for final preparation.
Multiple streams converge for final preparation.
Sealed airtight, each chip retains its perfect freshness.
Every bag moves with precise alignment toward its final form.
Consistency is guaranteed in every single bag.
Safety checks are built into every stage of production.
Traceability ensures each bag can be tracked worldwide.
Multiple streams combine seamlessly for final packing.
Human inspection complements automated precision. Multiple streams combine seamlessly for final packing.
Precision stacking ensures stable, transport-ready pallets.
Protection is added, preserving freshness until delivery. Every pallet meets rigorous finishing standards.
The journey nears its final destination.
Orderly storage ensures easy retrieval for dispatch. Each shipment is logged and ready for the final stage.
The final movement begins toward distribution.
Even after production, every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Appearance is the first measure of quality. Oil content is carefully monitored for taste and consistency.
Each chip is tested to meet signature flavor standards.
Crispness is quantified for uniform quality across batches. Safety is verified scientifically, ensuring consumer health.
Packaging accuracy is as critical as product quality.
Traceability guarantees each batch can be tracked globally.
Chips withstand controlled stress tests for freshness.
Approval signals the final journey has begun.
Laboratory rigor completes the quality cycle. The journey nears its end as products move towards storage.
Protection preserves freshness until delivery. Every pallet meets rigorous finishing standards.
Orderly storage ensures easy retrieval for dispatch.
Scale and organization maintain a steady flow of products worldwide.
Each shipment is logged and ready for transport. The final movement begins
toward distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce Lay's potato chips from start to finish. Distribution begins, delivering freshness to consumers worldwide. Every step from farm to bag is orchestrated with precision.